Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade a standard receptacle to a USB receptacle. This is a simple upgrade that's perfect for homeowners, especially in places where you're constantly charging devices. Hey, I'm Andrew, owner of Alchemic Power, an electrical contractor based in Vancouver. On this channel, I share real electrical work, service calls, and tips for homeowners and apprentice electricians to better understand what's going on behind the scenes. This video is specifically to help homeowners who want a better idea of what's going into a small upgrade like this. Now, this is the big issue with USB receptacles. They're a bit bigger than your standard plugs, and box fill becomes a real concern. You need enough space in the box to safely fit everything back in. According to the electrical code, you're supposed to have a minimum of 150 millimeters or 6 inches of wire at every junction box to splice to. In a situation like this, it can get tight, and sometimes you're right on the edge of that. Try to use smaller wire nuts to fit everything in. Wire management is really important here. I'll put links in the description below for the tools and materials I'm using in this video. Let me know if you pick up on the other code violation. I'll let you know what it is at the end of the video. Now we wire the new USB receptacle. Hot goes to brass, neutral to silver, and ground to green. Take your time here and make sure your connections are solid. You want to fold everything neatly back into the box so you're not putting stress on the connections. This is usually the trickiest part of these larger devices. Push everything back carefully and mount the receptacle. You might need slightly longer screws depending on the box and device, like I did here. The other code violation here is you're not allowed to install a receptacle over a baseboard heater. When you utilize the receptacle and plug something in, now the cord hanging out of the receptacle is going to cause a hazard. We installed a smaller baseboard heater later on in this project. Then install your cover plate. Turn the breaker back on. Test the receptacle and the USB ports to make sure everything is working properly. And that's it. Simple upgrade, but a few things to watch out for. If you're in the Vancouver area and need electrical work, you can reach out to Alchemic Power. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell. We'll catch you on the next one.